feels awesome to win the grand prize for Score with Intel Core. We had a motivated team. I think that the competition drives a lot of camaraderie. Everybody was making sure everyone was participating. They all knew who had signed up. There was sales leads from computers, our Geek Squad agents. I mean, it was a whole team effort. They also knew where we needed to be to overall give that $25,000 to the high school. It made them believers that, hey, we can take advantage of this awesome program, learn some great things for work, but benefit ourselves as well. As a manager at Best Buy, participating in the Score with Intel Core was a huge deal to me. I believe that anytime a leader leads by example and participates in programs, it gets a collective whole that everyone should participate. They understand the need or the why behind it. So it's not just benefiting the employee, it's benefiting everybody, including the customer. And just seeing the excitement, and it wasn't about the excitement of the top 10, it was the excitement of being able to donate that $25,000 to the high school.
I first heard about Carl Junction High School receiving this donation when Lisa, the store manager of the Joplin Best Buy store, came to the school and actually visited me in person. It was absolutely out of the blue. Yeah, I had no idea that she was going to come and visit, and definitely no idea that she was going to come and visit me to deliver that sort of news. My reaction when I was notified that we were receiving the donation was honestly a little bit of disbelief at first, initially, because it's not common to receive a donation of that magnitude.
I think he was a little shocked. He appreciated it, and he said, he was very grateful that we chose Carl Junction.
Very much looking at adding additional desktop computers that students can use for engineering design types of programs, and then along with that, adding equipment such as 3D printers, CNC routers, those sorts of machines so that they can design and then produce the things that they've designed.
Intel doing this is awesome, and I think by doing these competitions, it just drives awareness everywhere. Not just the teams that win, but there's other people that hear about, hey, look at that donation that they did, and that's awesome.
I'd like to say thank you to Intel and to Best Buy for their dedication to education, to being supportive of it, making this kind of gift and contribution to public schools so that we can foster education here.
I would just like to say thank you to Intel for providing such a wonderful program to not only train our employees and help our side of the business, but also to support the local communities that shop here every day.